So here the question is limit n tending to infinity, extending to infinity, 5x square plus x plus 1 by 6x square minus 3x minus 5. So first substitute x is equal to infinity. Substitute x is equal to infinity. So we get that 5 into infinity square plus infinity plus 1 by 6 into infinity square minus 3 into infinity minus 5. So this is nothing but infinity by infinity form. If we have that infinity form, in this method, what we do that take the coefficient of highest degree. So here what is the highest degree in numerator? X square. So take that x square as a common. Similarly, the highest degree in denominator x square, take as x square as a common. Here what is the condition? The condition is take highest degree in numerator and denominator, as a common. Here that is limit x tending to infinity. Here that what is the highest one? X square is a common. Take as x square is a common. We get that 5 plus, and here that x by x square plus 1 by x square by x square as a common. We get 6 minus 3 into x by x square minus 5 by x square. X square cancel, 1x cancel. So therefore we get that limit x tending to infinity 5 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square by 6 minus 3 by x minus 5 by x square, and we substitute x is equal to infinity, and we get that 5 plus 1 by infinity plus 1 by infinity square by 6 minus 3 by infinity minus 5 by infinity square. So therefore the value of 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So we get that 5 plus 0 by 6 minus 0 minus 0, that answer is equal to 5 by 6. So in this model belongs to that indeterminate form of infinity by infinity. Here we have that x is approaches to infinity. First we check that, we substitute that x is equal to infinity in this one. We get that infinity by infinity. Here what is the process? The main step is which has a highest degree, take it is a common. Here that x square is the highest degree. So x square can be taken as a common in numerator. Similarly, the highest degree is x square in denominator, take x square as a common. Then we get that x square into 5 plus x by x square plus 1 by x square into 6 minus 3 by x equal to this one. And finally we substitute that x is equal to infinity, and we get that 5 by 6. And the next one is, the main important formulas are limit as n tending to infinity 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on up to infinity. So this is nothing but a sum of natural numbers. Limit n tending to infinity, summation of n the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Next, and sum of squares, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on, n square. This is nothing but summation of n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next we have that summation of cubed, that is nothing but 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus and so on, n cube. That is nothing but a sum of n cube, that is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, and it is nothing but n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So here what we do that? So we do that sum of natural numbers, that is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n, that is nothing but summation of n. The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, and sum of squares, the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and sum of cubes, the formula is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So here the problem is, so what is the formula? Summation of n is approaches to infinity, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on, n square by n cube. So here we have that there is no n terms, sum of terms. So therefore this is nothing but apply the formula sum of squares, that is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 by n. So therefore we get that limit n tending to infinity n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6n cube, and here that limit n tending to infinity n into, in this one what is the degree? The highest degree is 1, taken as n as a common, we get that 1 plus 1 by n, and in this part the highest degree is n, that is power 1, take as n as a common, we get that 2 plus 1 by n by 6n cube. So therefore limit n is approaches to infinity, n into n cube into, that is nothing but 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n by 6n cube. N cubed cancel, and we get that limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n by 6. Substitute n is equal to infinity, so we get that 1 by 1 plus infinity into 2 plus 1 by infinity by 6, and we know the value is equal to 1 by infinity, that is equal to 0. So we get that 1 plus 0 by 2 plus 0, that is nothing but 1 into 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore here we don't know the direct formula, so first you written as, it will be converted into the formula sum of squares, that is sum of squares nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and here for this part what is the degree of n? N is equal to 1. So taken this is a common, here we get n as a common, we get 1 plus 1 by n, and similarly this is as a n as a common, we get that 2 plus 1 by n. Finally we get that n into n. So therefore n cubed is cancelled, and we substitute that n is equal to infinity, then we get that 2 by 6. The 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. So here we need to know the value of 1 by infinity, that is 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. Okay, and the next one is basic formulas are needed. So what are the basic formulas? That is basic standard formulas. That is nothing but the first one, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. The formula is n into a to the power of n minus 1. And second one is limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n. Nothing but m by n into a to the power of m minus 1. And third one is limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta, or it equal to limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta. The value is equal to 1. And the fourth one is limit theta tends to 0, sin a theta by theta, or limit theta tends to 0, tan a theta by theta. The value is equal to a. And next, limit theta tends to 0, sin a theta by sin b theta, or limit theta tends to 0, sin a theta by tan b theta, or limit theta tends to 0, tan a theta by tan b theta, or limit theta tends to 0, tan a theta by sin bt theta. The formula is a by b, numerator value by denominator value. What is the formula? The formula is equal to, this is nothing but a by b. A by b. Okay, so this is a basic one. Okay, and here we read that what is the question? The problem is limit x tends to 5, x cubed minus 125 by x minus 5. So this can be written as x tends to 5, x cubed minus 125 can be written in terms of powers of cubed. It is nothing but 5 cubed by x minus a. It is nothing but limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So here that what is the value of a? N is equal to 3 and a is equal to 5. So what is the formula? The formula is equal to, that is n into a to the power of n minus 1. So therefore we get that n value, that is 3 into 5 to the power of 3 minus 1. We get that 3 into 5 square. Therefore the value is equal to 75. 75. So 5 square is, that is nothing but 3 into 25. Okay. And next one, limit x tends to 0, sin 4 theta by theta. So here we written as limit x tends to 0, 4 theta is needed, sin 4 theta by 4 theta into 4. Multiply and divided by 4. We need 4 for d not getting 4. Therefore, multiply and divided by 4. Multiply and divided by 4. So therefore, that is nothing but 1 into 4. That is nothing but 1. That is limit extends to 0. Sin theta by theta. The both are same. Here we have a theta. Here we have a theta. Directly we get the value is equal to 1. This is nothing but a 1 into 4. That is nothing but 1 into 4 is nothing but 4. Or it can be written as a note. Directly it can be written as limit extends to 0. Sin a theta by theta. The value is equal to a. So here that limit extends to 0. Sin 4 theta by theta. The value is equal to 4. Next, the next one is limit extends to 0. Sin 9x by tan 7x. So first for the solution, first written limits as separate. Sin 9x by limit extends to 0 tan 7x. Here you need for conversion of basic formula sin 9x by 9x into 9x by limit extends to 0 tan 7x by 7x into 7x. This is nothing but sin theta by theta. 9x same, 7x sin x same. This is nothing but sin theta by theta and tan theta by theta. So therefore, it can be written as limit extends to 0 sin 9x by 9x by limit extends to 0 tan 7x by 7x. This is nothing but into 9x by 7x. So we know that the value limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta. What is the value? The value is equal to 1. And similarly limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta, the value is also same 1. So therefore this is nothing but 1 into 1x cancel, 1 into 9 by 1 into 7. So we get that 9 by 7. So our hint, our directive we write that limit theta tends to 0 sin a theta by tan b theta. So we get that a by b. Our directive we can write as a by b. So here that limit theta tends to 0 sin of 9 theta by tan of 7 theta. The value is equal to 9 by 7 if you are writing directly also. So here what is the form? The basic one is limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta. Theta, 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 theta. So here we have a 9x. So but we do not have a 9x. For that multiply and divided by 9x. Similarly getting of 7x, multiply and divided by 7x. Here what we do that? We do that multiply and divided by divided by 9x and 7x. Okay, and we simplify. The basic one is limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta, the value is equal to 1, and finally we get that 9 by 7. So this is for 3 marks. Or if you are writing directly, we can write that limit theta tends to 0 sin a theta by sin b tan b theta, that is nothing but a by b. Here the value is equal to 9 by 7. The next problem is limit theta tends to 0 sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta by 6 theta. Here we have written as a basic formula sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. What is the formula? The formula is sin C plus sin D. Therefore, this C is equal to 4 theta and D equal to 2 theta. The formula for sin C plus sin D is 2 sin of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So if we are simplifying, we get that 2 sin of 6 theta by 2 cos of 2 theta by 2. That is nothing but 2 sin of 3 theta and cos theta. So therefore it can be written as limit theta tends to 0 sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta by 6 theta can be written as limit theta tends to 0 sin, that is nothing but 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta by 6 theta. 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. So therefore it can be written as limit theta tends to 0 sin 3 theta by 3 theta into cos theta. Separate the limits, that is nothing but limit theta tends to 0 sin 3 theta by 3 theta and limit theta tends to 0 cos theta, and this is nothing but the value is equal to 1 into cos 0. Therefore 1 into 1, that is nothing but 1, because it is the form limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta, the value is equal to 1, that is 3 theta same. Here we have theta is same. So therefore it is nothing but 1. So this method is, we apply the standard formulas like trigonometric also. Here the basic one is sin C plus sin D. We apply that formula 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. We get that 2 sin 3 theta and cos theta. And finally we simplify that limit theta tends to 0 sin 3 theta by 3 theta into limit theta tends to 0 cos theta. Just we apply the values, we get that 1 into cos 0, that is nothing but cos 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So here we write that cos 0 that is equal to 1. Okay.